But we're going to go over here to itch.io to play our first game. And let's just type in Toy Factory Horror and see what pops up. See what we get when we search Toy Factory Horror. The first one here is that student game. You can see it above my left shoulder here. Beautiful illustration. This is nice, so I'm going to shrink myself down here. This is one of the beautiful things. One of the things to look at when you're on Itch or even Steam. When you type in a horror game, you want to look at what stands out as far as the thumbnails go, because presentation matters, branding matters. People will actually, much like YouTube, people will look at the thumbnail over the actual content, right? So they say, like, when it comes to branding, whether it's YouTube, social media, anything else, the titles, the description, and the thumbnail are the most important things to actually get people to play your game. And then, of course, you have to have a quality game after that. But if you look up here, all of these thumbnails, when I type in Toy Factory Horror, the number one here is the top left. I think it's a very intriguing, beautiful thumbnail. I'll say that the imagery is beautiful. The Toy Factory, the font you're using, and the feathered background isn't super readable with thumbnails. They're very small images, so the smaller you make that font, the more difficult it is to read. So my feedback for that, I would actually reorganize the title just a little bit, where you have the logo for the Toy Factory Horror up here. It's kind of obscuring the image a little bit, the faces, these really compelling characters, and it gets a little bit busy towards the center of the image, and then it's really difficult to read Toy Factory Horror. The image itself is beautiful, but it's all kind of being clouded a little bit. So I would even say more of a blocky, readable font, maybe pull it down a little bit, and then find another spot for the logo to where it's not obscuring the image. But it definitely is the top image I'm seeing of all these thumbnails. I think it's the most compelling. Okay, so we're gonna click this. We're gonna get the latest version of Toy Factory Horror here. And this is beautiful. The visuals here on your itch page, fantastic. We've got these two sad characters up at the top with the clock, kind of telling you that there's a time element in this game. Please give us your feedback, play our build. There's a form, awesome. So if anyone's watching this, you happen to be watching this, please check out their game, give them feedback. It's still a work in progress, so any feedback you give makes the project better. Play testing is what makes the dream work. For anyone watching, once again, these are games being currently worked on at the University of Utah, the graduate program, Entertainment, Arts, and Engineering. So here we go, we're getting started here. I like how all the little dolls just plop down on the screen. That's cool. So we're gonna start in room one. There we go. Here is, whoa, we're doing a zoom into room one. Awesome. This is beautiful. So this is room one, walking through. Super creepy with the doll legs hanging over. And then just doing a think aloud here. I'm just gonna walk over here. I have played this before. So I do know that there's the doorway that's blocked by the bookshelf, and then the focus on the light is on this cube over here in the corner. Yep. So I'm gonna go walk over there, and okay. So you did give me on the itch spreadsheet, you did give me the controller inputs, but players are dumb, Jones. Players are dumb. I'm dumb. I forget which buttons do what, right? So I'm walking up to this box. Am I supposed to press something? Would be my question.
Yeah, you're supposed to press that box.
What key am I supposed to press?
F.
But I would say, as far as readability goes, yeah, when you walk up and get proximity to that cube, if it lit up or did something, right, even got up and jiggled a little bit, it would tell me that, hey, this is the right way to go. This is what you're after. And then don't be afraid to have a little press F prompt above it. It'll tell players exactly what they're supposed to do, right? Even before I even know that roadway is blocked, keep in mind that the player may come up and hit F. And it's entirely possible. Oh, this is cool. That is a nice transition. Whoa! Is this the same space?
Yes, it's supposed to be.
Whoa! Okay. It doesn't read completely that it's the same play space, and I don't know if it's because of the juxtaposition of the bookshelves. Right now, the entire focus is on these creepy dolls, which are fantastic, and that little turnaround spin is freaking awesome. So I'm assuming, though, that now I can make my way through that door. Huh.
In future build, all of the dolls are supposed to come alive and chase you.
Oh, really?
In this scene. Yep.
Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome.
But Yeah, but we haven't implemented the chase yet, so I just walking simulator.
Well, that one, it's okay. This walking simulator, this is fantastic because you're showing the space, and right now it's very compelling, right? So you've done your job. It's already super creepy and compelling without all those additional like people chasing you. But you can create such a moment here. Like I can only imagine as you start going, maybe the ones in the back start chasing you first. And as I pass everyone, they start chasing me. I think you could create this kind of domino effect that's really creepy. I'm curious from the audience. This is the question I'm going to ask. Did this read that it was the same room? Because right now, I think with the lighting, the only thing that indicated the room before, can I go back in time again? Right now, the focus are the bookshelves. Those are what keep me in that environment. That's the thing I recognize entirely. You do have these two posts at the front. I recognize those when I went into the next room. But notice you go from, go back in time. Oh wait, what just happened? I think I hit reset instead. These bookshelves are the big noticeable thing. So I think what you need to do is you have to have a constant between the two time zones, right? So the light changes to where we have these big focuses light here. I think you still need to make sure that we can see those in the background.
Okay.
Because that is what's going to tell us we're in the same location. Because right now it feels like maybe I went somewhere else. It does look great. That's the thing. It does look great. So I think you could blend that. I think you could keep the light focused on these freaking creepy dolls, but still have those patterns in the background that show those bookshelves. This is awesome. Okay, here we go. So we're going to continue on through the process. This is awesome. I would love some creepy, scary music to ramp up the creepiness. Since you have this black and white, your character's still in color, you could play with subtle colors to help lead people like towards this doorway back here. If it was like a yellower light coming through. I do like the 3D kind of effect that's coming off of everything in the peripheral. This is fantastic. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. This is creepy. If these were like, mama, mama, trying to hug you. Oh, scary. This is awesome. Oh, the flickering light is super creepy. This is a great experience. But I do like the idea. So right now it's just on a constant loop, and always be asking you how you can make it more interactive to what the player is doing. Almost like maybe if your back is turned on them, they do something, but if you turn towards them, they don't. I don't know. Just I think there's some twist you could put on there, so they're interacting kind of with what the player does. But this is awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, back in time. Not having to do it on every single one. So this one, you're telling me I have to crouch again. So don't be afraid to tell the player, remind them what those crouch buttons are, because you don't use them very often. And then the question is this crouch just for crouch's sake? I would hope that there's a section of gameplay coming up that you.
They will chase you until the end of time.
So, those things are still
running.
Oh, awesome! Love it.
It's
Fantastic.
An obstacle course.
Great. Beautiful. This is super compelling level design. It's done really well. You add in the fact that something will be chasing you. When do you feel like you'll have like the chase characters in?
We are not sure. I think our tech artist is focusing on decorating the room for now. So I'm not even sure we'll have that in time in Rockstar, but I will see what we can do.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna hit F again. Once again, throughout the entire game, prompts are nice. Let them know to press the keys. Okay, so that thing disappeared. So this one disappeared. And it looks like a mirrored version.
Actually, so you couldn't tell for now, but that ramp, it's actually fall down. The shelf fall down.
That shelf
in
fell.
The future.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you can walk over. And this is the end of this level, actually.
Okay. Fantastic. So still very block out. I love going from that finished work to this block out stuff, and that's perfectly fine. I mean, seriously, that's perfectly fine. This is something you could continue to work in on all the way to publish time, right? This isn't something that would have to be done for access, but having this blocked in so you could see. I'm assuming this is a really long, straight, narrow pace.
Yeah, so we are planning to have a background in here, like to show you like in the factory how the doll is like, transported and stuff.
Cool. So there'll be like some visual kind of narration in the background showing you how.
Yeah.
Love it. I love it. And I like that he can't run. Oh, he can't run off the edges. Never mind. Come on, bud, get back up. No, don't die. Oh man.
blocking, but our
Oh
level designer
shoot.
is
Okay.
did some tweaking here. You can hit R to reset.
I did.
And
Now I'm gonna run through the whole thing again.
yeah,
But
actually,
we'll go quick.
no, you don't have to. You can actually use the level selection to go 3.
Okay.
Room 3.
Boom.
Yeah. I think this room still needs some tweaking.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. But you are spawning in the wrong place. Jeez.
This is why we playtest, my friends. So this is why we playtest. This is fine.
Yeah.
So I'm spawning in the wrong place. Here's another future disc. Oh no, I can't see. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so now we can see things. Sorry, should I go back to a different room? Let me know.
No, that's fine. I could actually describe what's supposed to happen. So after that long ramp you walk on, you will actually land on this doorway. And then you will walk and then notice the claw and the lighting up floor thingy. You stand on it, the claw will grab you and throw you out on the location you are at when you begin the level. So it teaches you that the claw can grab you. So you will know like this room will it has something to do with.
Oh dang it! I hit reset.
Grab you.
Oh, I hit reset instead of F. Okay. So once again, sorry, I'm totally ignoring you and I'm just playing the game. Once again on these boxes, like I didn't know that F do that, and now I don't have my box over here. Okay. How sad. What if I just do this? I can't step on it. I think with these floor panels, like these yellow ones, I don't know if that would break the game, but it's weird that I walk on it and it doesn't do anything. But putting a box on it does. I'm gonna try stepping on that panel, which is okay. This one over here, I'm assuming. Let's try it. There's no indicator to jump up there, so I'm assuming I'm not supposed to. This is me listening to your visual cues, like you told me to get grabbed by the hook. So I assumed it would be this one because there's the same color coding as the other one, but I can't get up there. So
yeah, so what happened is you actually miss one box to solve this puzzle somehow. You might want to go back in time and reset, see if the box came out again.
Okay.
But if not, you might need to restart the game. Maybe reset here and then see if the box is there.
No box.
No box, then you might need to restart the game.
Okay.
I'm sorry about this.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Don't be sorry. Okay, I hit reset. So I'm gonna make sure I'm doing that. Yeah, okay, so I'm supposed to use the box to push up there. Okay. So let's start instead of just restarting. Let's go from one room to another and see if that resets it. And this was room 2, right?
Yeah.
So, and if we go back in time, there should be a box there, right?
Yeah.
No box, bro. No box.
Well, we need to fix that.
All right.
I'm so sorry.
No, you are absolutely fine. This is why we do playtesting, right? This is perfect. This is a super compelling room. There are a lot of complexities. I think at least like hopefully what I'm showing you is what players will do. They'll skip back and forth if you go to a next level, putting those checks in your code to check before it pushes you to another level. Do a check really first to see if it's in the past or the present, and then make sure it's not, right? That it always starts the way you're supposed to. But that's cool. Okay, so everything stayed persistent. So should I just restart the entire game? Oh, that's what I'm here for, my friend. Okay, this is awesome. This first level, so creepy. Okay, so we're gonna go back to room 2. Bada bing, bada boom. Hide that. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Once again, wouldn't mind a prompt there. And no box.
No box?
No box. The box that rocks. This may be an issue with it may be an issue with your room skipping code, right?
Okay, yeah, that might be the problem. Oh yeah, the box is supposed to the right. So on the right there should be 2 boxes.
Oh, okay. Another box?
Yeah.
So this one I put here, right? And this one I can put on the other thing, but you're saying maybe I'm not supposed to do that?
Oh, no, I'm not telling you anything right
Okay,
now.
great,
So
great.
just
Do what I do.
what you feel like.
So this looks
Yeah.
like what I should do, right? And now a box should come on there. Okay, so this maybe is a jumping box. I can't push it though. So maybe I can do this. Yeah, so that gets me up there. No. Okay, and there is a ladder as well, so let's climb. I can't climb the ladder for some reason.
So you need to press F. And
Yeah.
Go up.
I think you
haven't
should
fixed that.
Okay.
We are still fixing it.
Okay, so now, and now I'm just gonna leave because it seems like that's what I'm supposed to do, but I can't. The door won't open.
Yep.
Oh, but those boxes are still stacking up. That's fascinating. All right, I'm gonna jump down on this.
So remember, you have a big gap in the present, and then the hook can move you around.
Okay. Will that grab me? Oh, it didn't grab me. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna try it. And the hook can move me around, you say?
Yep. So the only thing I could tell you.
Oh,
right
it didn't
now
grab
is-
me. Boo.
The only thing I could tell you right now, this is what the game's supposed to be doing right now. So.
Okay. Well, let's go back. Okay. The hooks are all dead now. Trying to figure it out.
So you are on the right track to jump on that and present to that green square. But how
Okay.
could you jump up there? That's the question.
That is my question. Okay, let's try this. So I need one of those boxes, but I can't grab one from here. It's interesting that one falls down.
So
Oh, so it's still okay. Wait, that thing is still moving. Okay, let's try this. I don't know if this will work. So do I need to stop this at the right time? Like right here? Okay, that moves that over.
colder. You are getting colder.
Oh, I'm getting colder. How sad. Sad day. Okay. So what if I stop one of the big boxes on it? Does that matter? I'm getting colder. Cold as ice.
So yeah, that's colder. So I'll give you another hint. So the box you push, you can do something else with them.
Oh,
right?
okay. Let's start. Let's bring one over here then. So these boxes just kind of stack up because they're cool. So you're saying maybe move this one over here. But I can't jump on that, can I? Maybe I can. Let's try. So let's set this here in the past. And so it should be there in the present, which it is. And I can't jump on it. I have no idea, dude.
So there's a ledge on your left.
Oh, that one, dude. Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. I'm wondering, maybe other people figured that out a lot better than I did. That's awesome. So that is really cool. But I'm just slow to the uptake, so take that for what it's worth. You could probably find some visual like cues. Like maybe you see like a stain on the floor shaped like the box, some kind of readability thing. Changing the color of that forward panel. I don't know, something to highlight it a little bit. People like myself who may miss it.
Okay, we will try to fix the bug that you encountered before and see what else we can do.
That's an awesome puzzle though.
So the last level we want you to test is room 6. Could you try that one?
Absolutely. Is this just the first act?
No, this is about half of the game.
Okay. Makes me feel a little better. If it was just like a sixth or something, I'd be freaking out.
We're not that ambitious.
This is beautiful. I'll tell you already right now, Jones, like the variety, the visual interest, the things you're going to use, like these simple puzzles, they're beautiful, right? Because once you get the readability, then they're not entirely complex. Getting that AI chasing you, I think that's crucial. I think that would be one of the things I would try and attack soon, because it sounds like it's critically important to your game.
Yeah.
but it's not overly complex either. So you can keep reusing that type of thing throughout the game. So you have these moments of something chasing you, these moments of puzzle solving, chasing you, puzzle solving. I think you could kind of ramp that up and kind of play with all those loops overall throughout. I don't know if that's already what you have planned, but I think that right there is awesome. So now we're on to more conveyor belt puzzle fun. Okay, what the heck are these? That is freaky. I need some audio in here, Jones. I want to hear some audio cues and stuff. Okay, so as soon as I jump down, they start chasing you. And sprint, was it shift to sprint? Yes.
Yeah, shift to sprint. And you might want to reset the level, see if that works.
Whatever, it's way better without anyone chasing you.
Boxes.
Okay, here you go.
So the whole reason we want you to test this is because we should implement the reset of the boxes when you die. But seems as that's not entirely working.
This is awesome. And so even here, like, it's okay. Oh, crap. That's awesome. It's okay to say shift to run or something just to remind the player.
Okay, got it.
Okay, that was cool.
The boxes should come back. It came back during our testing, but somehow it's not in your testing. So it's a good thing to know.
This is a great test then. Okay, so I'm going to reset again. Should I start the game over and do another run of that one?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay, room 5. Here we go. Right? Was it 5 or 6?
6.
Okay, 6. There we go. Awesome. It does help my concerns a lot. Oh, gall. Gotta get rid of that. Okay. With the whole time travel stuff, if it's used strategically rather than happening throughout the entire game, I think that helps with your time management for your team. So that makes me feel a lot better. Okay, let's run. Let's run around the boxes. This is cool. Okay, so I can see what you're talking about. So now there's more of a strategy of running between them and that kind of stuff. Scary. Okay. Oh, I lost. Will this reset now?
Yeah, the box is not coming back.
Oh, no. Okay.
To fix that.
Good. I found a bug for you.
Yeah. But you could see, like, basically this chasing is like that. You need to avoid boxes to run through.
That's awesome.
And that's everything we want you to test. Awesome. Cool. Thanks a lot.
You know what? You are so welcome. This is really coming along. Holy smokes. Like your block out, your whole game, your whole conceit is really expertly crafted. I think really you've got a lot of work on the art, animation, technical art, audio implementation, and just really getting those things to kind of jump out. The momentum you've had has been freaking awesome. Really good. Sunny Girl says other players did not know how they needed to jump. Yeah, so you might have like just a prompt right there at the beginning. Just remind the player, shift to run, and then spacebar to jump, I guess. It's okay to remind the players, like when they start those sections, just let them know, and you won't have those readability issues. Like, okay. I don't think it'll take them out of the game, but if they know that those are the two, this is a running jumping section, just make that clear at that beginning part. That'll help with the readability. Awesome job, my good buddy Jones. Yeah, really proud of your team.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Really good job. All right, I am super excited. Anyone wants to check this out, go hop on itch.io. If they hop on itch, they can do the same level skipping stuff, right? If they know the secret. Or would you prefer they just play straight through?
Oh yeah, they could use the level skipping all they want.
All the debugging stuff is there for you to use.
Yep.
Go check them out on itch. Give them some feedback. And especially if you're into horror games, this is going to be the game of the year as far as indie games go. It's going to be the hot new horror game title. So get in it early. Say you were part of the process. Give some feedback. Okay. Awesome. Great job, Jones.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.
All right.